Hi guys, today we're going to be starting off in the living room and taking off all of the couch and beanbag covers. We're going to wash them because as you can see, they are very dirty. Now, this video is going to be a little bit more exciting because we're going to get the house all nice and clean and then bring in some of that fall decor. So I'm editing this Tuesday night, which is also the same day that pumpkin spice dropped at Starbucks, and let me tell you, chef's kiss. I was like really contemplating if I wanted to go because I was like, oh, what if it's not as good as I remember? But I was like, no, I just gotta go. So me and Zara went and we got some Starbucks and it was way better than I remembered. I got a pumpkin spice latte iced, but instead of 2% milk, I did oat milk. And then I also got pumpkin cream cold foam. So good. I highly recommend it. I am pretty active on Instagram, so you can go ahead and follow me on there. I was walking up the stairs and I dropped something and there's no way I was about to put down the whole pile to grab it, so I had to use my foot. A new item I have incorporated into our laundry now is a sanitizer, and I tried the Lysol liquid sanitizer, but I feel like I could get more in the powder form. So I got the OxyClean powder sanitizer, and it makes the clothes feel so much cleaner and just smell a lot better. Whenever I'm cleaning, I'll always notice Zara do something really cute. Like right now, she'll use her little toy and pretend it's a vacuum, but I kind of just don't really acknowledge it in the moment. But always looking back, I'm just like, she is so adorable. I love her. So a couple of videos ago, this basket had like spiders hidden under it, and I feel like after that I just kept finding like little spiders under the basket, so I just ended up donating it. And now I'm just gonna keep the blankets in the ottoman, and I like it that way too because, you know, like out of sight, out of mind, it looks a lot cleaner. My favorite, but also my least favorite chore, cleaning the fish tank. It's my favorite because when it's done, it just looks so clean and it feels like everything is put together, but it is my least favorite because it's just gross. And honestly, I wasn't gonna do it this day, but I just felt more obligated to since I was gonna be hanging up the picture frames and they go right by the fish tank. So I couldn't not clean it, but like show off our cute little fall, you know, pictures. So I just got it done and I cleaned it. Look at that, look at that. So beautiful, so worth it. Up next is our gallery wall, and I did want it to be fall themed, so I went with some pictures that have like more fall tone colors, fall scenery, and things from like last fall, you know, that could kind of go into that fall. No, but I was actually really happy with the pictures that I chose and the way that I set it up. Before actually putting it on the wall, I kind of set it up on the couch just to see, you know, if it would look right, and I think that helped a lot. And this was the finishing product. I was so in love. It looks so cute and so fall. I did go back in and straighten the frames a little bit, but yeah. I made the mistake of washing a white blanket with all the other stuff, so I just went ahead and restarted that, but with some bleach and like brightener, and it fixed it right up. I grabbed some seasonal towels from TJ Maxx, and they were so adorable, and I freaking love this color. You know, this isn't a very loud chore, but I still feel like I was trying really hard not to wake her up while putting all the cushions back on the couches. The cushions back on the couches. The covers back on the couches. Oh my god. While I was trying to put the cushions back onto the... Oh my gosh. The covers back onto the cushions. Finally, that took way too long for me to say. After finishing up the living room, I just wanted to add some touches to the fish tank, you know, display. And I had these pumpkins, but I actually didn't like them, so I returned them and tried something different. And you'll see that a little bit later into the video. And now we are cleaning out my baby's car seat. If you have not cleaned out your kid's car seat, this is your sign to go ahead and do that because they deserve to sit in a clean car seat. Also, the pumpkin pillows that I ended up putting on the couch, I got those from the Dollar Tree and they were $5 each. I thought that was a good deal, but also I haven't seen like what everybody else is putting out because I know Target is still going to put out more stuff. So we'll see, but for now, I thought it was a really good deal. We went to World Market last weekend and I got this room spray there, and it's a rosewater scent and it smells so girly and pretty. I'm not really into like the fall scent. Like I love fall, but that's the only thing that I don't love about it is I don't like the pumpkin spice, like the sweet smells. Like I just like for a house to smell clean, you know? So it's kind of not my vibe. But rosewater spray from World Market, really good. Up next, I'm gonna be decorating the front porch, and I'm so excited for this because we had like a front door, entrance at our apartment, but not really a front porch. So here, I feel like I have so much, freedom, and nobody's gonna really mess with our stuff. I am spraying Off Guard on the doormat, and this is sort of like a waterproof sealant to make sure like the design on the doormat lasts longer. I did this with our previous one, and it made it last like over 6 months. I love the doormat. I think it is so pretty. I got it at TJ Maxx for $15 and it was the last one, so I got really lucky with that. But now I am just sticking some pumpkins into the plants that we already have out there to kind of make it more fall. I didn't want to have to buy new plants, so I just added these and I feel like it worked. I got these little styrofoam pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, and now I am just doing the same thing but to the garland hanging on our door. Surprisingly, this took me a lot longer than I showed. It was so hard, like they just wouldn't go through the vine, but I ended up getting it to work and it looks so adorable. We got the pumpkin pie Kit Kats. Yes, they are sold at Fry's, so go get them there in the seasonal section. And then I also got the glass pumpkin jar from Target, $5. I had been looking for glass bottles for like our oils, but all of them were just kind of expensive on Amazon, but I saw a 2-pack of these for $3 at Target. So after going back to Target and returning the pumpkins that I first used for the fish tank, I ended up getting all of this stuff, and this looks so much better. I also grabbed these bats from Target's dollar section, and it even came with the adhesive. And these are just some last finishing touches that I'm adding of fall decor. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that it inspired you to decorate and to clean, and I'll see you guys later.